Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Reels on Facebook. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you can basically hide the dedicated Reels tab right here if you want to. But to go ahead and do that, go ahead over to the top right or top left, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now here we have Settings. Wait a bit and then scroll down and find Preferences, and we have Tab Bar. So go to tap on a tab bar, and then tap on Customize the bar. And then in here, find the Reels section. Okay. If you can't find it right here, we'll just basically tap on it and then hide it. All right. If you have that option. So for example, it is under the pinned tab. Well, just hide it. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, the other option is that you can go ahead and hide Reels from your main news feed. If you want that option right here. Okay, for example, you scroll, and then you have Reels. So just basically tap on the three dots and then just hide it. Okay, see if your post like this. All right, so tap on hide and you're good to go. Now, the last option, if you want to bypass or completely bypass the algorithmic injection of Reels, you'll have to consider two alternatives. Okay, whenever you open up Facebook, well, just go ahead over to these tabs and then just go to the feed section if you have it. All right. So for example, this one, don't go to Reels, but just feeds. Now the other option is you may want to use the mobile web browser. Okay. You can go ahead and open up a web browser such as Brave, Safari, Google Chrome, or on your computer, you'll have that option as well. Just go ahead and go to m.facebook.com and continue using Facebook on a browser. That's how easy it is to turn off Reels on Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.